thismomisbomb crew, and welcome back to another video. If you're not already a part of the family, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure to leave a comment down below. And stay tuned for my next upload, y'all. Join the journey. Well, I just filmed for you guys. That's why I have on the same clothes. I just filmed for you guys a Where Have I Been video. It's not really an excuse video because I have no excuses. But I told you guys that I was gonna finish up my cleaning video because, well, not finish up my cleaning video because I didn't even freaking start, but I gotta clean my damn house. So I am going to do a time-lapse video of me cleaning my house on this Saturday because that's what I do on Saturdays. Y'all need to know what I do on Saturdays so you guys can know why I wasn't uploading for 2 months and why I was being lazy, because I got a lot of stuff to do on the weekends. But I just need to record it and show you guys what I do so you guys know what I'm doing, you know? Why not? So I'm gonna show you guys what I gotta do. Look at this. This is one sink of dishes. This is another sink of dishes, okay? So I need to tackle that. Now, I got, in the mix of all of this, I'll probably be stopping because the kids are going to be stopping me through this whole video. That's kind of why I don't really record too much, but I don't care anymore. I also got a new mop. I told you guys I was going to tell you about the mop story, so let me go get the mop. All right, you guys. I've seen this mop in Walmart probably for like a year already, and I just never got it. So this is the Cedar mop. This is like the spray. The pad is washable. This is not what they call it. I'm not advertising this, okay? I just really like can't wait to use this product because I've been wanting this product for a while. I've had Swiffers, I've had the freaking twist button, spin button, mop bucket, whatever, but this pad is washable. This I can put my own mixture in there, which I love because I did have Swiffer in the past, and you got to keep buying the refills, keep buying the refills for this. I wasn't having it. I love that I could put my own mixture stuff in here because I like my house smelling like different stuff. Yeah, I like Mr. Clean sometimes. I like Fabuloso. I like vinegar. I like bleach. I like different products, so I like that I can put that in here. Also, I can spray it, so I don't gotta like freaking spray the floor or throw stuff on the floor. Yeah, I can't wait to use this mop. Now, it's funny because I had a regular mop, you know, the mop that you literally gotta wring out with your hands. I had that mop, and I woke up one morning and me and my man was sitting in the garage, and I was telling him, I was like, you know, I really want to deep clean the house, but I really need a good mop. And he's like, no, you're fine. You don't need a mop, because he's bought me Swiffers. He's bought me, you know, he's the one who bought me my Swiffer. So, and he sees that I'm not like, I don't care for that Swiffer. It's a freaking pain. So he's like, no, you're fine. That mop is fine. That mop is fine. It does a good job. Blah, blah, blah. So I'm mopping. I got the living room done and I got my dining room done. I didn't even touch my kitchen yet, and the freaking mop breaks. I'm like, are you kidding me? This man is gonna think I broke the mop on purpose. I really didn't break the mop on purpose though. Like, if I was gonna break the mop on purpose, I would like make sure my whole house is mopped before I break the mop. Like, only my living room and my dining room was mopped. My kitchen didn't even get mopped. That's why I was pissed. So I tried to fix the mop. It didn't even work. I might even bring the mop out. It's so old, and like, I've had the mop for like 2 years. Lord help me. It was time. But I tried to fix the mop. It didn't work. Then I got a freaking old towel and cut a hole and put it over my broom. And that's kind of how I mop my kitchen. So the next day I went to work and I was like, you know what? Bump that. I need a mop. So that's when I purchased my Cedar mop. Cedar, if you want a sponsor, you know, we could work something out because I have their broom. I've had their other mop. And
can I put this on the floor?
Yes. And Cedar is a good brand, but I can't wait to use this mop because I want to put my own stuff in there and see how good it works on my tile. Because mind you, if you guys didn't know, my whole house is white. My kitchen is white, my cabinets are white, my walls are white, my tile is white. I have 3 kids. it's not really looking white anymore. So I want to see how good this mop works on my floor. But the first thing that I need to do is I need to get these dishes done. And then I'm going to start picking up the living room. And I'm going to use my mop with y'all. And I need to go, matter of fact, I need to go check on my laundry. I'm going to go check on my laundry. And then we're going to start washing these dishes. All right, so I just switched my loads. And I'm going to start on my dishes. All right, y'all, so I already did the dishes, wiped the counters down. I put the babies, wait, over there. I put the babies' bottles to boil in a pot. So now I'm gonna sweep and I'm gonna try out my mop. Yeah, I'm gonna try it out. All right, I just finished sweeping my kitchen, so now I'm gonna try to use my mop.
Oh, are you gonna break it? I thought you was gonna break it. Try to rip the box off.
All right, y'all, so I'm gonna test out my mop. I put some Clorox bleach with a little bit of Clorox bleach with water. I was gonna use vinegar, but I was like, let me see how it will work with the bleach because my floor is white. So let me try it out. I can honestly say that I like this mop.
No, you don't.
The only thing is that I wish it was like, how can I say it? Like, I really gotta like scrub, but I mean, it does a wonderful job. Look at how, I mean, I literally just mopped the other day, and look at this. So that's how you know, like the mop I was using is not for this type of floor, which I already knew, but you know, I didn't have this mop. So I just wish it was like a rougher, you know, pad on here, but it does wonderful. I mean, it literally does wonders. I mean, come on now. And I don't even have to like get a bucket, a mop, spray anything on the floor. Like I literally just and mop. Like wonderful. I love it. I love it.
No, you don't.
They need to sponsor me. They really do. All right, so my kitchen is clean. I just finished mopping it with my new mop. I gotta do the living room. Let me show you what the living room is looking like. Look at my living room and my dining room. And I still got Christmas decorations up. So I think I should take my Christmas decorations down. So yeah, I'm gonna take my Christmas decorations down. I gotta wait. I'm gonna just take everything apart for right now because I actually have to wait because since the floor is wet, I can't get in the garage to go get the box that I put my decorations in. So I'm gonna just take everything apart. I'm gonna start doing that right now. All right, for some reason, it didn't record me taking down the tree. That was the whole freaking point. But I'm not putting that tree back up to put it back down. But I just took that tree down and I put it in that box over there. So yeah, I'm gonna continue. All right, you guys. So I finished cleaning up the living room. I didn't record it, but I hung up my curtains all by myself. It took me a while though, but I got the job done. Fix this. So everything is pretty much clean. I just gotta hit my room and hit the kids' room, and finish laundry. But everything else seems to be clean.